Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can leave a Facebook group, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to leave a Facebook group, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook app. And once you're on Facebook, next, I want you to go to the menu. And here on the menu, you will now be able to see the groups option, just go and tap it. And after that, go and tap on your groups to see the lists of all the Facebook groups you've joined. And after that, you will now be able to see all your Facebook groups, so just find the one you want to leave. So let's say that this is the group you want to leave, for example. So to do that, first, I want you to open the group. And after opening the group, next, I want you to tap this. And then you will now be able to see the leave group option at the bottom, so just tap it to leave the group. And after that, Facebook will ask you for confirmation if you really want to leave, so just tap the leave group button to confirm it. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully left a Facebook group. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.